Brand extension. We all know that a product development strategy provides the framework to orient a company's development projects as well as its development process. But do we know what brand extension is and why it extends? Brand extension is defined as attaching an existing brand name to a new product introduced in different product category. In the seventh lesson of brand management, we will discuss the concept of brand extension, the types of brand extension, and the push and pull factors in brand extension, the advantages and disadvantages of brand extension, and the concept of brand equity. After going through this presentation, you should be able to define brand extension and its types, and also the need to extend brands, explain strategies for establishing category extension and factors for brand extension, discuss brand extendability, brand hierarchy, and CAFERER branding system, and also identity management and brand equity. Brand extension is application of a popular brand name to a new product in an unrelated product category. Brand extensions occur when firms enter markets they had not previously been present under the name of one of their existing brands. Types of brand extension. In a horizontal brand extension, an existing brand name is applied to a newly introduced product in either a related product category or in a product class completely new to the company. A vertical brand extension uses the core brand name to launch products in the same product category but at a different price point and quality level. Brand extensions are also classified into three types: product-related extensions, image-related extensions, and unrelated extensions. Product-related extension is more popularly called line extensions. Image-related extensions are those where the brand extension bears some logical or emotional relationship with the parent brand. Brand extension are important because it increases competition between less and larger players with global aspirations and ability to communicate globally and towards saturation of markets. It reacts to declining markets and nourishes the brand perceived vitality. Brand extension can come in new subcategory with short distance extension, new category with middle distance extension, new activity with long distance extension, or with geographic expansion. Factors for brand extension are push factor and pull factor, government regime in the existing industry, market dynamics, and customer requests are the push factors for brand extension. The current trend in management is no more reactive but is proactive. One needs to be prepared to face rather than think after sudden attack. Diverse portfolio, increase customer base, building corporate image, positioning, leveraging, and advertising all are pull factors for brand extension. Well-planned and well-implemented extensions offer a number of advantages to marketers. It facilitates new product acceptance by improving brand image, reduces risk perceived by customers, increases efficiency of promotional expenditures, and permits consumer variety seeking. It provides feedback benefits to the parent brand by clarifying brand meaning and enhances the parent brand image. Despite these potential advantages, brand extensions have a number of disadvantages. Different varieties of line extensions may confuse and frustrate consumers as to which version of the product is the right one for them. If the brand extension fails, it also harms the parent brand image. Unfortunately, these negative feedback effects may sometimes happen. The aim behind brand extension is to transfer a set of associations accompanying the parent brand to the extended brand. Any extension, therefore, becomes successful depending upon the nature of the parent brand. All brands do not have the same degree of extendability. A brand's extendability depends on its character. There are five types of brands. These are product brand, formula brand, know-how brand, interest brand, and philosophy brand. To characterize the product and branding strategy of a firm, one useful tool is the brand product matrix, a graphical representation of all the brands and products sold by the firm. The rows of the matrix represent brand-product relationships and capture the brand extension strategy of the firm in terms of the number and nature of products sold under firm's brands. It consists of all products sold under one single brand name. The brand product matrix helps to highlight the range of products and brands sold by a firm. A brand hierarchy is a means of summarizing the branding strategy by displaying the number and nature of common and distinctive brand elements across the firm's products, revealing the explicit ordering of brand elements. Product branding is one extreme of the branding continuum. It is fiercely driven by customer logic. The purpose of branding is to differentiate your cow from other cattle on the ranch. Product branding allows a brand to acquire differentiation and exclusivity. The brand does not share other products and does not take on company associations. Line branding. Line in the context of product mix refers to various product lines that a firm may have in its total portfolio. The basic idea in line branding is how the firm organizes its product portfolio. The brand appeals to a distinct market segment who appreciate and like the brand concept. The product in the line draw their identity from the main brand. They enhance the brand by reinforcing each other. Range branding is not restrictive. Brands can move beyond product complementarily. Firms can develop expertise and capability in some area over time. A benefit of the range branding strategy is the formation of brand equity. Many products under range branding share a common name. This helps in preventing brand building efforts from getting dissipated in different directions. Umbrella branding has been particularly favored by the companies of the East. Indian business houses like Tata, Bajaj and HMT also follow umbrella branding. An umbrella brand represents many things about many products. Umbrella brands can easily adopt a variety of products in a category. Source brand strategy combines the firm's name with the product brand name. It is a hybrid of umbrella brand and product brand strategy. The product is given a brand name and it is combined with the name of the firm. This is also called double branding. Double branding is somewhat an extension of the umbrella strategy. Endorsement brand strategy is a modified version of double branding. It makes the product brand name more significant and the corporate brand name is relegated to a lesser status. Endorsement brand strategy can be viewed as a step which is more towards product branding. According to Schmidt and Simonson, the following tasks are performed while managing identity. Managing expressions. An organization plans its expressions in such a way that produces the desired customer impressions. The key expressions consist of levels of analysis, structure of the organization, internal characteristics of the firm, breadth of image management, and the choice between consistency and variety. Branded identities have noticeable brand identities. Managing style. A style is a manner of expression. It has a distinct quality or form. Style gives distinction. It creates brand awareness. Theme management. Theme refers to the content, the meaning and projected image of an identity. Themes can be expressed through prototypical images of real and unreal people. Brand equity represents the total accumulated value or worth of a brand. Brands are valued for their equity. Brands add value. It helps customers in information processing. Brand equity dimensions allow a firm to have greater customer loyalty. Brand equity at different hierarchical level is brand loyalty. A brand is valued for its ability to have a dramatic impact on a firm's marketing performance. Loyalty provides insulation against competitive assaults. Brand awareness is the second brand equity asset. Brand awareness may exist at three levels: brand recognition, brand recall, and top-of-the-mind recall. Next is perceived quality. The quality can be objective or perceived. The objective quality means the actual superiority of product or service. Last is brand associations. Brand image is how a brand is perceived by the prospects in terms of these associations. Keller's views on brand equity are customer-oriented. Brand equity is seen from the perspective of the customer. Three key elements in Keller's framework of brand equity are differential effect, brand knowledge, and customer response. Now let us check if we have understood the various concepts discussed in this lesson clearly. Product branding allows a brand to acquire differentiation and exclusivity. Right or wrong? Right. Source brand strategy is not a hybrid of umbrella brand and product brand strategy. Right or wrong? Wrong. Brand extensions occur when firms enter markets they had not previously been present under the name of one of their existing brands. Right or wrong? Right. Before we end, let us briefly revise what we have studied so far. Brand extension is defined as attaching an existing brand name to a new product introduced in different product category. Types of brand extension are vertical brand extension and horizontal brand extension. Horizontal brand extension is an existing brand name and is applied to a newly introduced product in either a related product category or in a product class completely new to the company. A vertical brand extension uses the core brand name to launch products. Brand extensions are also classified into three types: product-related extensions, image-related extensions, and unrelated extensions. Factors for brand extension are push factor and pull factor. A brand's extendability depends on its character. Line branding strategy illustrates how a well-cultivated brand can be extended onto a host of related products under a common concept. This strategy seeks to penetrate the customer rather than penetrating the market. The brand equity concept stresses the importance of the brand in marketing strategies.